So how will you identify the container engine? Container engine support is virtualization means the any hardware or the operating system when you install over the virtual machine, or you can say the virtualization of the hardware and software. The common example is a Docker, Arcade, Runc, and container. Docker is a most used nowadays. If you search about the Docker, you will find lots of the long list where Docker is used in a most of the organization and the base for the microservices or for the clouds. So now the what is the Docker? Docker is a actually there is a two things which will create a Docker. One is a images. One is image. And what is the image? Like your photo? No. No, this is not like this. Image means a operating system image. Like ISO image, you have seen already, you have downloaded ISO images. So similar, every operating system has an image. Okay, first thing is image. Another thing is a Docker file. So Docker file having the configuration. Like configuration means install this program XYZ, install XYZ, and the command will be apt get install whatever the system. Like use the firewall CMD to enable the services, install the SSH, create a new user, and put the password for the new user, and then SSH, enable this SSH, and whatever the configuration you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, so means container or the configuration a file which will decide, container files will decide which application and which configuration will be implemented inside the container, inside the image. Like image, there is a Red Hat image, basic image. Every computer has the basic image, Red Hat image. But when you will install any applications, like if you want to Red Hat image as a web application, so you will install all the required web applications, software, and their configuration. Another is if you want to the Red Hat same operating system as a FTP server, then you will install the different package and you will do the different configuration. The different configuration and the installation of the package will be added inside the configuration file. This configuration file also known as a Docker file. So image is a built-in template from the configuration files for the container, and container running the instance of the an image means if you have the image, so image has the operating system inside it. So whenever you will execute the container, the image will be executed, and then the configuration files will be loaded on that. Okay, so container and share, everything we have done. Means what are the advantage of the container, different between the image and container.